Alright, so we just got another 6 inches of snow, and I just cleaned this off. There's about 6 inches sitting on the truck, and about this thick of ice on top of the snow. I had to knock off all over this thing. But there's something that I want to share with you guys. I don't know if you can see it. Let me go start this thing up and show you guys what's going on with these new taillights. So the signals and brake lights work fine, but on the left taillight, this section right here flickers. Right now it's not even coming on, but it does flicker on and off. And this section here, as you can see, is flickering. A lot of times after the lights are on for a while on this side will work fine with no flickering at all, but they definitely should not be flickering. So I contacted the company I bought them through, and they're Spider taillights, but I bought these off of Auto Anything, and I was just getting thrown around constantly between Spider. Oh hell yeah. But anyway, I've been getting thrown around constantly between Spider and Auto Anything, saying, oh, you know, you got to contact the opposite person. And a week and a half later, I'm finally getting the new taillights in the mail today. And they were supposed to come yesterday, but with all this snow, it delayed it. The UPS truck probably ran off the road or something. I'm actually sending these taillights back. Like I said, these came from Auto Anything, and I ordered a new set from Car ID. They're apparently an authorized retailer for Spider, so I don't know. I'm hoping their customer service is better if I have a problem, but they cost a little bit more. Instead of like $106, they were $150 something. So yeah, I'll let you guys know when those come, and we'll see how those work. Okay, the new taillights came, so now we'll see if the ones from Car ID work the way they should. You have got to be kidding me. That freaking little metal piece belongs up there, and the track on both sides is broke, so this is just getting ridiculous. Well, I called Car ID, and now I have to get replacements again. This is becoming just ridiculous. I can't even. So Car ID is apparently overnight shipping me new taillights, and then I guess I have to return these. Customer service was hard to understand, and I don't even know what's going on. But hopefully they overnight me new taillights, and nothing's broken, everything works. I can send these other two pairs back and be done with the whole thing. It's like something's telling me I shouldn't have even gotten these taillights, but whatever. But I'll keep you guys updated when I get the new taillights. Alright, we finally got two working taillights. They're not damaged, they're not defective, they actually work. They look so freaking awesome. Let's turn on the four-ways here. So there's what the four-ways and brake lights look like. So now all I got to do is replace my light bar, because I got a few LEDs out on that. But otherwise, looks damn good. Man, she always cleans up so nice. It just looks so gorgeous after it's all cleaned up like that. tire shine, fresh coat of wax. And then those tail lights. And they actually work now. No flickering, none of that nonsense. They work good. Customer service with Car ID has been really good. I still haven't given you guys a rundown of all the mods that I've done to this truck since I bought it, so bear with me on that. I'll definitely be making a video at some point here going over all the stuff that I did to the Duramax. I even cleaned the inside. Nice and squeaky clean. The camera doesn't even do it justice. Like, these black wheels are really, really shiny. And you can't even tell in the video. Now we're gonna park this in there for a little while. So now we gotta get K1500 out. This truck needs a bath too, but... So I met with the guy I know that has a body shop, and he gave me an estimate on how much it would cost to fix all of the rust, this dent, all the other little dents on the truck, which aren't too many, just a couple other little small ones, straighten that bumper out, and to repaint the entire truck. About $3,000 to $3,500 bucks, and that is including a really decent paint job as well. So I don't want some crappy paint job. I definitely want something that's gonna last. Now y'all are probably wondering, what do I do for a living? Well, I have my own landscaping business, and the next question you're probably asking yourself is, why does the zero turn not have any wheels and tires on it? That's because I'm going to be upgrading to a bigger tire size on the zero turn. So right now there's 22 by 10.5 12s on it, and it's a 12 by 8.5 rim, so I can safely go up to the 24 by 12 12s and no problems at all. And with this mower here, it's got the ZT3100 hydro geared transmissions. I shouldn't have any problem with the upgraded tire size. It's not going to put that much more load on the mower, and it should actually increase my ground speed a little bit. So, but yeah, once I get these other tires on here, maybe I'll pull it out and kind of do a quick review on this mower. So let's get these wheels and tires loaded up and go take them and get them swapped out. All right, we got the new tires in there. So now let's go put them on.